here we are, top of the U-Bell downhill again. This is just kind of a shakedown ride. I just did a full rebuild on the fork. On the trans and the torrent. So, just wanted to take it out for a ride, see how the fork feels. Seems to be tracking really nicely. All right, just having a look at my travel there. Looks like I'm not using all of it, which is good. Yeah, I tried helmet cam during the daylight, and yeah, so I did a full rebuild on my Aion fork on the trans, damper and the whole 9 yards. It was getting kind of noisy there before, so it seems a lot quieter. I do hear a little bit of knocking still, but there's springs and stuff in there. Yeah, or it's just riding a bike too, right? But yeah, I tore apart the fork, the Xeron on the torrent, serviced the lowers and all that. The damper's unserviceable, so I left that alone, obviously. And yeah, so the torrent is getting a P&W dropper post. That's coming, and then I put the dropper from the torrent on my Bigfoot, so that'll be nice. That's all ready to rock, and we're getting snow, so as much as I wanted to ride the Bigfoot, my window is closing for dirt, so I wanted to take this out, see how this fork feels in the meantime. Anyways, we're gonna go climb up some more. Maybe we'll head down Barley or something like that. Stand by, we'll see. Alrighty, we are at the top of Barley Brew. Let's head down that. I kind of want to see how it feels on the chatter there. Hey guys.
Hello.
All right. I like it. Oh wow, got a little close to that branch. Yeah, I think it feels pretty good. Just checking my travel there. Might need a little more air in the fork. I couldn't remember what I had it set up before. I didn't write it down. But just hope yeah, it looks pretty good. I think I had it about 100 psi before, and right now it's at 90. So it does feel nice and buttery smooth, which is good. But I am hearing that knock. I think that's just, it's always been there. I just suddenly noticed it and got more paranoid. It's not really a knock, it's just like a tapping, but greased everything up really well. Yeah, should be good. Okay, let's head up for one more round. So I only had about an hour for this ride, so super fast one. I do the usual U of L, barley brew, and crazy train. Yeah, mostly because I also wanted kind of familiar trails, so I can see how the fork is, kind of a before and after reference. So far it's time well spent. Whew. All right, here we go, crazy train. That is rutted. Let's skip the drop today. Looks like someone climbed up this thing when it was all wet. Flatten it out a little bit. That fork feels good. Nice and buttery. I like it. Let's have a look. Let's have a looky-loo here. Alright, used up. I have a little bit left. That's okay. Save that for the big hits, hey? Maybe I'll leave it at 1.4 or at 90 psi for now. Oh, heavy gear. All right. Yeah, maybe I'll leave it in the with this air pressure, and if I start bottoming out, then time to air up a little bit. But yeah. Anyways, train overhead. You guys have a good one. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more fat bike. There'll be we got snow on the way, so we will see. Season is starting already. I still have to mount my studded tires, but I got the dropper on, which is awesome. I'm excited for that. All right, you guys take care. Thanks for watching. Bonus. What's a fork test without some jumps? Ooh, oversent that one. First one. All right, we'll do this drop too. Was that a bottom out? Oh, that's as close as it gets. Okay. Just a hair. Just a hair. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.